Storm.
What's going on, chat, man? What's going on? Shit, chat, Lord. What's going on, YouTube? I've been going TikTok live too much. What's going on, YouTube, man? Y'all know the vibes. Indeed. Y'all do see what's going on. Also, let me show y'all do see what's going on. Also, let me show y'all. I'm always doing something. I'm non-stop with this bitch, man. Hold up, let me show y'all. Bro. Oh, I forgot to pick up my screwdriver. Yeah, but y'all know the vibes. Paint Master World. Finally was able to do my headlights. I'll show you my walking miles real quick. As y'all can tell, these are the old ones right here. That is the old one that's out. That's not in my truck right now, obviously. I was like, fuck it. And I just, bomb. I don't know how to take this light out, so I'm gonna just leave this shit right here. I was able to get this part off. It's really easy. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's really simpler than what it seems. You know what I'm saying? Clear. But I wanted to pick up the camera and show y'all what I'm doing, man. Like I said, I just ended up saying fucking just did the clears on my own, took the amber, side reflector out. Like I said, I don't know how to take this light out, but I am bringing them to my paint guy right now to paint match these black pieces and shit like that. So, and that rear bumper plastic part, I'm also bringing that as well. So, Color Master World, twin. Y'all know the vibes. But that's what I am doing today. Like I said, we all getting ready, man, for these shows. We all about to be slapping hella exquisitely. I'm letting y'all know right now. But I want to pick up the camera and show y'all, man, what I got going on, what's been happening, what's been going on since the show. Still waiting on my wheels. You know, like I've been telling y'all, by me, beginning of me. They coming through FedEx, so hopefully they get here sooner than later. But I'm gonna keep y'all up to date, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't have tires yet, but I'm just waiting on my wheels right now. But wheels will be fucking amazing. Y'all gonna like it. Y'all gonna love them. Obviously they wise, they all 26x16s, but you got a slab gang. But just J-Lo. I just wanted to keep y'all up to date, man. And I'm out. Peace, man.
What are we doing?
Swapping the good tire to the front.
Oh.
Yeah, that's your guitar. Guitar champ.
It's
Yeah, we're not gonna.
it's not bad. Not bad.
But we don't care.
Nah, we still slide.
Oh, we definitely are. Why? Because these are going on these.
Eventually.
Huh?
At some point.
Oh yeah, at some point. Definitely.
Some point.
It's definitely gonna happen. For sure. I don't know when, but it's definitely gonna happen.
Hopefully whenever you get them damn wads.
Huh?
Hopefully when you get them damn wads.
Oh, definitely.
I was feeling bored, so I took my 4-inch blocks out the back.
I'm black as fuck.
Yeah, my bags leak. Oh.
What?
My bad. I'm sorry.
My bags don't fitting. We just don't give a fuck. Stop fucking.
We need like hex lights or something. I need this. Hex lights. I need the carport. Cause them bitches,
don't fucking work.
Ain't it?
That shit don't work.
And they pointed up.
That shit don't. That shit super good.
How it's brighter on the ceiling than it is down here?
That shit don't fall. That shit don't. That shit don't. This shit don't.
Bro, did you wipe your windows?
I did.
That looks tragic.
So. Fuss up. Fuss up. Oh, nigga. Sick ass.
I'm sorry. I'm not sick. I'm allergic.
Allergic to what?
You.
Yes, please.
Okay. Please what?
It's good. Oh.
And that's on video. You said it.
Faggot.
If anybody wants J-Lo's house key to his house,
Faggot.
it's gonna be on any dead ladder. You got a long way to jack. A little $500 freshie. I know what I got.
All right.
Check the tread. I know what I got.
Fuck! Fuck! Shit.
I have a flat.
Man, what's good, YouTube family, man? What's the vibes, man? How y'all doing this early morning? It's currently 7 o'clock in the morning. Me and my boy Cam, man, you know what I'm saying? They got Shock the Block going on today in Livingston, Paris. So we are slabbing. We are bringing the big slabber, not trailing. We are slabbing, yo. We are. So this is what we're gonna do, man. And of course, it would be bad weather the day I finally get to slab. So just wanted to let y'all know, man. As y'all see, I do have LTZs, 6s on 7s. They are on Gladiators. The Gladiators are like 30% tread, but I did buy one new tire because that's all the place that I was going to. That's all they can get for yesterday. I didn't have time to get all 4, but this one is new. This is obviously not a Gladiator, so I am mix matching, but fuck it, you know, it is what it is. But at the end of the day, I just wanted to slab real quick. But make sure when I got done in the past couple of days, I got this color match. I was gonna get my tail lights color match, but I ain't feel like taking those apart. As you can tell, the new powder is so raw. I can't be mad. It clears. Got my bumper repainted. Everything fresh. Everything fresh on this bitch. For real. So this bitch so clean. I'm not gonna lie, this bitch so raw. Oh my god. But you know what I'm saying? We about to slab this shit. I just woke up probably like 20 minutes ago, yo. But we about to slab. I'm gonna go meet up with Cam, test Cam, get him to wake up. I know he probably sleeping. Cause the show doesn't even have a time to start, but I'm pretty positive it starts at like 11 or something. It is an hour 30 over here, so it's not that bad, but we gotta make it. But I'm gonna hit y'all up when we get to the show though. Just give all my piece. Also, before I go, y'all, as y'all can tell, this is my Bayou Built shirt. Y'all can't see the back. I'm gonna show y'all. You know, I'm gonna get Cam to record a video. Show them the back, but y'all tap it, man. Y'all buy some merch, bro. Bayou Built, you know what I'm saying? We lit. You know what I'm saying? They are nice shirts. It's a nice design and everything, but y'all let me know, man. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Y'all go click the website, man. Y'all go cop a shirt, man. I got hoodies. I got crop hoodies for the females. I got t-shirts. I got, you know, and I'm thinking about dropping some shorts and swim shorts and all that just because it's about to be summer. But man, y'all just tap the link, man. Y'all go show some love, go show some support, bro. But this deal, I'm out. Peace. Shock the block with it, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Give me that. That bitch soft. We got Mr. Legal right here. We got light skin right here. We got black man right here. He is a sleeve. This one is a co-worker of the sleeve.
What the fuck?
This one is their owner.
What the fuck?
Nah, we had Shock the block with it, son.
Hey, I don't know where we at. I was just following the lead. I ain't lying.
I was following you most of the time.
Look at
Yeah.
Look at Lee's
Yeah.
Look at Lee's
I don't know where we at right now.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Bayou Built, man. Y'all tap in, bro. Y'all tap in. I'm gonna drop the link in the description, bro.
I say this one right now for $50 today.
No, $50. Look.
How you gonna see today? But the video could be posted. Bet.
It's a man with a plan.
We are
certified outside.
We are outside.
See,
Oh.
the dope boy, I got the Bayou Built.
I mean, shut your ass up.
You're
Outside in Livingston Parish, who's getting towed first?
Oh, you.
These nuts. Got him.
Damn!
You're not making no black jokes today, huh?
Damn!
Got a camera on.
You know, last time I saw, I still got, hey, I didn't put the clip in there, but I still got it.
Boy, Zach, man. Yeah, he took a picture. And somehow it's still gonna come out fire.
But you know the only bad thing about it's gonna be? He gonna get all pores.
Nah,
You got one right on your eyebrow.
It's not Brand. It's Brand. Shock the block, bruh. No, man, we had Shock the block with it, bro. What up, gang? Where you park at? Over there, right there.
When y'all finish the circle, I'm gonna fuck with you. Bet.
Oh, yeah. Slabbing, man. My boy, man.
Hey, baby, hey, 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 baby, hey, hey, baby, hey, baby.
I saw it.
niggas to the finish. Are you willing to hit the streets up and nigga killing? Are you willing to push the nigga kill?
Right there on top, block. What's up, right, man?
With a pistol or a chopper, if you a man, you pay all of your bills that you nigga.
Once again, boy, man. Huh?
They got like 20 spikes.
Baby boy, what's up? Happy birthday, gang. Oh, my fault.
Those birthday was yesterday.
It was. Huh?
I work 7 days a week. Shit.
I mean, his other one? What? You ain't know that? Yeah. So that nigga been posting that bitch. YouTube, man. How y'all doing, man? I hope y'all like the video, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all keep showing love, bro. Just want to show y'all, man. Like I said, we slid, man. We slid all the way to Livingston. No toll, no ticket, no nothing. Slid with all my boys, man. Shout out to Cam. Shout out to my homeboy Diddy, man. He was repping my merch out there, too. I appreciate that. Shout out to all them sliders from OP and Lafayette area that slid with us, bro. And we came back with a top 25 award. Y'all see it, bro. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. We sliding, man. We sliding. Now we just waiting on the wheels, man. We just waiting on the 16 watts to come in. Once the 16 watts come in, we can really be slapping for real. But I'm not gonna do too much talking for this outro. I just want to show y'all how I did come back with an award, top 25. And I also want to say, man, I'm gonna drop the link in the description for my merch, man. Y'all go cop some merch. The merch is fire. I'm telling y'all, it's comfortable fits and everything. At the end of the day, I appreciate y'all. for all the love and support, all the good feedback, negative, positive, whatever y'all want to do. I just need some type of feedback from everybody and anybody. But this is J-Lo. I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm out. Peace.